Greetings, Earthlings. Welcome back. Today I have another episode. Are these episodes? I don't know. But another organize and chill. Today I'm focusing on my eyeshadow palettes. I made a trip to Ross and I picked up this clear bin for a few bucks. And I also picked up a really pretty gold letter organizer and a lid organizer. You can also use toaster racks. I wish I would have picked up a few more lid organizers because you'll see later that I needed more storage. Also, be sure to stay tuned because there will be a giveaway at the end of this video. Today's video is short and sweet. I hope you don't mind. I tried to keep all of the brands together, so here I have all of my Violet Voss palettes and my Nomad palettes, which I'm new to this brand and I just adore the packaging so much. And I also put my Alien Cosmetics palettes here and I love their packaging as well. Another brand that always has beautiful packaging is Huda Beauty. Again, I wish I would have grabbed a few more of these. They also make these with more sections. I just picked up what they had. So this organizer I bought off of Amazon a long time ago, acrylic organizer, and this isn't as affordable as the other two options I just showed you, but I put all my Natasha Denona palettes there. She makes the best eyeshadow formula ever. I love my Natasha Denona palettes. So this is what I ended up with. I did cut my eyeshadow palette collection pretty much in half. I threw some away because they were broken and really old. I had like Coastal Scents palettes from 10 years ago. And then I gave some to friends and family. And yeah, I'm really proud that this is what I cut down to. I need to get some organizers for my Too Faced palettes back there, but you can see the clear bin. I put my little eyeshadow palettes in there. I had another acrylic organizer there. You can see I put all my Urban Decay eyeshadow palettes. I do have this little pile here left that I still need to get rid of, but they are used, so I'm gonna have to give it away to family and friends. But I do have this Huda Beauty textured shadows palette, the Rose Gold edition, not opened, not touched. So if you guys want to enter this giveaway, just give the video a thumbs up, be subscribed, and leave a comment down below telling me your favorite eyeshadow palette. And that's it. I will announce the winner in the next video. I hope you guys have a lovely day. Peace.